Alright, let's get started. Now first, I will show you the key of this song and which black keys we will be using. This is also the key of G major, meaning there will be an F sharp coming up in the chords later on. There's a total of 6 chords for this song. The first chord I have a G. I'm going to put my thumb 5 steps up from middle C. Now this is my middle C going up to D, E, F and G. Okay, so I'll put my thumb here, finger 3 on B, finger 5 on D. That's for my right hand. As for my left hand, I'm going to use the first note and the fifth note, which is a G and D. So G, D, G. Now this is our this is called our extended arpeggios. Okay, so this is the position for our G major. Next chord, we're going to move on to our C major. I'm going to move my right hand thumb to C, E, G. Left hand, C, G, C. Next chord, I have an E minor, and I'm going to shift my thumb up to E. Finger 3 on G, finger 5 on B. Left hand, E, B, E. Next chord, I have a D major. I'm going to shift my hand down to D. Finger 3 sits nicely on F sharp, okay, because this one is getting of G major, so I need the F sharp. And finger 5 is on A. As for my left hand, D, A, D, from the word there. Next chord, I have a borrowed chord called A major. Okay, usually in the key of G, I do not have a C sharp, but this is a borrowed chord. So I have an A major. I'm going to shift my hand up to 6 steps up from middle C. Then I have a finger 3 on C sharp, finger 5 on E. Left hand, A, E, A. And lastly, I have an A minor, which is from the key of G major. A minor, you realize that there's only a note difference from C sharp going down to C. So this is our C major, and now this is our C minor. Left hand remains the same, A, E, A. Here are all the chords you need for this song. Take a moment to pause and practice switching between them until it feels smooth for your playing. If you would like to understand the formula behind major and minor chords, be sure to check out my piano chords video, link below. And if you would like a printable version of this chord sheet, I have prepared it as part of my resources for every of my tutorial on Patreon to take your learning further, so do check it out as well. The playing pattern for this song is going to be a both left, left, right, and right, and. We try one more time. So it's going to be a both left, left, right, ho, right, ho. Okay, so now underneath each chord on your chord sheet, you'll be able to see 1, 2, or 3 strokes. Now, these strokes simply tell you how long to stay on that chord before moving on to the next one. So over here, if you see 1 stroke, okay, so you are just going to fulfill that 1 beat, which is a both left, left, according to my table. Okay, and then you're going to move straight to the next chord. Okay, if you see 2 strokes, you're going to go both left, left, right, and ho. And then you move on to the next chord. And lastly, if you see 3 strokes, you get a whole pattern. You're going to go both left, left, right, ho, right, ho. So you realize that my ho, for my beat 2 and beat 3, we're going to hold a little bit longer, okay, because we're going to fulfill the pum, ta, pum, ta, pum, ta feel. Okay, so let's start with our verse 1. Blessed are 2 beats of G, assurance. 1 beat of C, Jesus is. 3 beats of G, mine. 2, oh what a. 1 beat of E minor. 4, 1 beat of D major, taste of. 1 beat of A major, glory D, and 3 beats of D major, vine. 2, and hair of Sal. 2 beats of G, vation. 1 beat of C, purchase of. 3 beats of G, God. 2, born of his. 2 beats of A minor, spirit. 1 beat of D, washed in his. 3 beats of G, blood. 2 and 3. Alright, let's try verse 1 smoothly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Blessed assurance, C. Jesus is mine, G. 2. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine. 2 and hair of salvation. Change to C. Purchase of God. 2 born of his spirit, washed in his blood. 2, 3. Let's move on to our chorus slowly. This is my 2 beats of G, story, 1 beat of C. This is my 3 beats of G, song. 2, praising my 2 beats of E minor, Savior, 1 beat of A, all the day. 3 beats of D, long. 2, this is my 2 beats of G, story, 1 beat of C. This is my 3 beats of G, song. 2, praising my 2 beats of A minor, Savior, 1 beat of D, all the day. 3 beats of G, long. 2, 3. Let's try chorus smoothly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and we. This is my story. Change. This is my song. 2, praising my Savior. Change to A. All the change. Long. 2, this is my story. Change to C. This is change. So to G. 2, praising my Savior. Change to D one time. All the day long. 2 and 3. And this marks the end of our tutorial. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.